But here's a short video on this fiberglass repair. What we're going to do is put in this internal blind patch, back patch. Got a layer of cardboard with some woven roving and some strings to, once we get it inside, that'll keep it from dropping off, losing it. So what we'll do is get this all buttered up with thickened epoxy. Put some on the cardboard, some on the back side of the roving, some more on the top, and then when we're ready to go, it's going to go in the hole like that, all the way in. We'll hold on to the strings, and once it's in, we pull those strings back up. Take a little stick, something to tie it to, and let it dry. So let's look up here on the bow. We're getting ready to put this patch in. I only have two hands, so I'm going to have two hands for this, but I've already taken the thickened epoxy, the Thixo that we got from Total Boat, free for us to play with. We appreciate that. And I've already got the cardboard wet out and the bottom side of the woven roving wet, and then I took fingers and just kind of mushed it all down. Some of it's come through, and I'm going to put another layer there, and then it's go inside the hole. That's coming next.